Hello guys and welcome to TechWolf. In this video I'm going to show you how to add email to YouTube channel. If you are visiting any YouTube channel, you can click here under channel's names, this tab guys, and you will see that there is email address, or in some channels, in some cases, there is no email address if it is not added. In this video I'm going to show you how to add email address if you would want it to appear here. For example, if some businesses in future want to contact you to advertise with you on your YouTube channel, you might want to have your email address here. To add email address here, all you need to do is to go to your YouTube channel's homepage, and you need to be logged in into your YouTube channel. As you can see, I have this icon in the right top corner. Also, this means that I'm logged in into my YouTube channel, and then I will be able to see these buttons: customize channel and manage videos. Click on customize channel and you will be redirected to this page where you can customize different information about your channel. And here at the very top you can see there is layout, there is branding, and there is basic information. Click into basic information, and if you scroll down here on this page, you will be able to see where you can add contact info. As you can see here is where you enter your email, and if you will have your email entered here, this will be that email which will be displayed on your YouTube channel. This is how to add email to your YouTube channel, and if you found this video useful, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and see you in the next one.